Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Holmes County in central Mississippi, Carroll County in north central Mississippi, southeastern Leflore County in north central Mississippi, northeastern Yazoo County in central Mississippi, southeastern Humphreys County in central Mississippi, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blaine to near Smithtown to near midnight, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near to around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Greenwood and Thornton around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Black Hawk and Lexington around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Malmaison, Coxburg, Bowling Green, Emory, and Delandville around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Durant, North Carrollton, Ebenezer, Coyle, and Brownsville around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Franklin around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Goodman, Pickens, and Vaden around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Eden, Carrollton, West, and Creature. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no Severe thunderstorm watch number 334, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Hinds, Leake, Madison, Rankin, Scott, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.